Hello you guys and welcome to a new video where I'm going to dye my hair with some weird things. You guys already know from the title what we are going to do today. Excuse my glasses, I'm not feeling myself today, so I'm wearing some glasses that hides half my face. You guys know how it is. We have now dyed our hair with turmeric that worked great, and then also with beets that didn't really work. But I think that from you guys saying that I should have probably used uncooked beets, so I might try it again if you would like me to. But today is the day where I really think this could work. We are going to use blueberries. Yay! I love blueberries. Blueberries stain everything. They stain your tongue, they stain your fingers, they stain your food. So I have already made the dye, and for that I just used some blueberries. Obviously I took the ones that were frozen because I feel like they make a better color for some reason, and then I put in some conditioner. I actually heated the blueberries so the juice would come out. I mean, it would be easier to mash together, and I just mixed it all. Used a fork. Maybe you could just use a mixer, but I didn't feel like it. But I used a fork and just mashed it all together, and it looks like this. Oh, it smells so good. I did a lot of dye so I could really just drench my entire head with it. And my hair is obviously still orange, but I have not re-dyed it for maybe 1.5 months now, so it is quite mellow right now. It's not harsh. So I think that this dye could still dye this. I just washed my hair yesterday. I have not used any products in it. I didn't even use any conditioner. That is pretty much it. You guys know how it is with my dye videos. I'm just gonna put it on and wait maybe an hour or something, and then we'll see if it works. Okay, so here is my hair, and I'm just gonna put it on. First, some gloves. Dos gloves. Let's put on some Jenna Julian podcast. All right, let's go.
Satisfaction guarantee. You can get 20% off and free shipping on us by going to meundies.com.
Oh no. I've already dropped some. Okay, I should have mashed it better. But det är lätt att vara efterklok. You guys already know I am messy. I'm a messy girl. Doing my messy life. Okay, I have the dye in my hair, and now I will just wait for an hour, I think. I will probably put on this super cute bath hat from the Body Shop and their banana series, so this doesn't go everywhere. And then we will see each other in 1 hour when I have washed it out. I hope it works. Comment down below if you think it works. Alright, prepare yourself for how hair looks when you dye it with blueberries. Okay, 3, 2, 1. This is how it looks. I'm honestly shocked on how gross it looks. It's like gray. It looks like I have been in the dirt, just like cuddling with a rock or something. I don't know. Like, I don't know how, what did it do? It like took all of my color out and just left it looking like poop. It honestly looks gray. How weird is that? I thought that it would be like maybe a bit purplish, pink, red or something, but no. What is this color? I'm so confused. I will wait until Thursday when this video comes out, and I will see what you guys think, but I will probably after that re-dye it. That is the end of this video. Now you guys know what your hair will look like if you dye it with blueberries. It will make your hair muted, gray, and kind of gross looking. So if you want that, then blueberries is for you. Now, after a few hours when I had this, I don't hate it. But right when I washed it, I was like, it is brown and I hate it. But now I'm okay with it. But yeah, it doesn't look good. Okay, so that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did and like these kinds of videos when I try out different like fruits and berries and vegetables to dye my hair. And also if you have any suggestions on what I could try next, then please leave it in the comment section down below. And also of course like this video if you like these kinds of videos and want to see more, yay! Also if you didn't know, I have a vlogging channel. I just uploaded a mukbang. I don't know why, I just have been myself watching only mukbangs nowadays, so I made a mukbang when I eat sushi. Vegan sushi, of course. Of course. Not that I'm vegan, but I am vegetarian, but I'm trying to be kind of vegan. Yeah. So yeah, if you want to see that, I will have the second channel down below. And also, obviously, if you are not subscribed to this channel, then subscribe. It's right down there. Or down there, not sure. So yeah, do that and then we will see each other in the next video, hopefully. Okay, bye guys. Mwah.